Hey, to create an account on Snapchat, first of all, you have to get it on your phone. In this case, I'm using the Android phone, but it looks the same on iOS devices like iPhone or iPad. So all you have to do is just to download this application from the Play Store if you are using Android, or App Store if you are using iOS devices. Next, when you download the Snapchat application, you will have to click to sign up on this big blue button. Now click to continue and grant permission for your contacts, phone calls, to send the notifications, and from here you can synchronize your phone contacts with the Snapchat. So you can click allow or deny. In my case, I'm gonna click deny, and from here you have to set your username. So in my case it will be games and apps tutorials. You don't have to create and input the real name. So as you can see, that's the name of the channel. So you have to click the continue, and next we have to enter the birthday and click continue. Now that's the preview of our username. So in my case it was like too long. You can still change it by tapping right here, and each time you change it, as you can see, I cannot input more because it's actually too long, and you can actually see if the user is available. So we can also use the random username if you want, and you can click continue. Now from here we have to input the password into our account. If you click right here, your password will be visible like this, so you will be sure that it's actually correct. So our password should be at least 8 characters. So that's what I'm gonna do right now out of the camera. Simple password with at least 8 characters. And now from here, when your password looks good, you will click continue. Also, you can save this login information on your device. So it means that once you log in into your account, you will not have to input the password and email every time you try to open this account of the Snapchat. So click to continue, and from here you can also input your email address. Also, you can use the phone number instead, so we can decide. I'm going to actually use my channel, so I'm gonna input my mail, click continue. Okay, so in this step you will actually have to input your phone number, and you will receive the verification code on your phone number. So you have to click finish. Now the code was sent into your phone number, and as you can see in my case, it automatically input this code from my messages. But if for some reason it doesn't work in your case, you will have to open this incoming message, click this code, or simply remember it and input it in this place and click continue. So now just wait for this process, and here I can find some friends that are actually linked into my phone number, and I can click skip. And honestly, I don't want to invite any of the friends, so I'm gonna tap skip. From here we can create our Bitmoji, but I don't want to use it. And now I have to click to turn on and enable access into my camera and also the microphone. And as you can see, here we are on the Snapchat, and that's how you can create an account on the Snapchat in 2024 using Android phone. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.